Everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can open Notepad instantly with this secret shortcut key trick. For this you need to click on the start menu search icon and type Notepad, and now right click and click on the open file location, and now again right click and click on the properties, and under the shortcut tab you need to click on the shortcut key box, and here you need to assign a key, for example Ctrl Alt plus N, and click apply, click continue, click OK. And now whenever you press Ctrl Alt plus N, the notepad will be open up. So I hope you like the video. If this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.